Hello and welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you guys how to change the interior bulbs and the rear registration bulbs from the halogen to the LED to make it a bit more modern. So we've got 2022 Nissan Juke behind us, so let's crack on with this video. So we're just going to unclip the front light like so, take the plastic cover off, and as you can see we've got the bulbs in there. So 1, 2, 3, pull them out. Like so, that's the little halogen ones. Then I'm just going to insert the LEDs straight up into their slots, like so, and same for the other side. And I'll just clip this plastic piece back in, like so, and it clips into place, or snap fits, and that's us sorted. So once you've removed this light from the cover side from the light, as you can see we've got the old bulb in there, so we're just going to pull that halogen one out. It just kind of slides out like so. Grab the LED one and just put that in place, sliding it up and into its wee compartment. So once you get that into its wee slot, I'm just going to do the same again and clip that back in. And as you can see, we have the LED light installed in the interior. So we'll jump into the rear. So the lights we're going to replace are going to be the interior boot one, and we have to take this panel off for the registration lights up here. So we'll start off with this one here, as that's usually a bit easier to reach. So this slides out like that, and then you can take the bulb out there to replace that with the LED. We'll do that in a minute. So we slide that white guy just out here, and as you can see there's the bulb, so we're just going to replace that with the LED one. So we're just going to place this halogen one with this LED. It's going to slide in. So now we've replaced the bulb, simply click this in place, like so, and that's that LED replaced. So we're just going to remove these clips, so we're just going to slide that in there, pop them out, like so. Like that. I'm just going to work our way around and do the other ones down here. There we go, remove them, and now we're just going to remove this plastic packaging. So now we've removed this interior panel, which is those two bits for up there, and then this just all snap fits together. You pull that out with ease. We're just going to change the bulbs, which is nice and easy. So we're just going to twist these out like so, and then you can just literally pull them out with one finger. And you're going to see you're going to slide them in, LEDs, snap back into place, put them in the hole, and then twist. Like that. Same on the other side for the registration plate lights, just put the LED in. So we're just going to clip this into place. As you can see, nice and easy. 1, 2, 3, just bang it into place. Like so, and that's it, all pretty solid. And I'm just going to put the wee snap fit clips back into it so we know nothing is. Push that in, and again into the hole and push like so. Close the boot. And this is what the LEDs look like, so much more modern appearance up the back. And hopefully when you're out on the road at night, you're going to notice a difference and make it more look like a 2022 car. So I just want to say thanks very much for watching this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel below, and I'll see you next video. Ciao!